Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So thank you so very much for taking the time out of your busy day today and joining me and watching my video today, guys. If you have not yet done so, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, that way you are alerted each time I post a video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make this delicious jerk shrimp pasta. Yes, I said it, guys. This wonderful plate of jerk shrimp pasta literally cost me no more than about $6, guys, to make this entire meal. Everything else for today's recipe, guys, was already in my pantry or my refrigerator. So let's get into the ingredients. So today I'll be using red, green, and yellow bell peppers in that order, some thyme, onion, and scallions. Along with that, I will be using some crushed garlic, guys. That comes in the jar. If not, you have the fresh garlic, go right ahead and use that. I have about a pound of shrimp, some penne pasta. For my jerk seasoning, I will be using the Walker Woods jerk seasoning, hot and spicy, guys. That's my favorite brand. You can use whichever brand you have. I have some cheese. I will be using some heavy cream and paprika. If you don't have heavy cream, go ahead and use half and half or milk. Some Hellshire fish seasoning, along with my garlic powder, onion powder, total seasoning, and my homemade green seasoning, guys. If you guys want the recipe for this, just leave me a comment below and I'll make it for you guys. Let's first go ahead and put in our pasta, guys. So to my boiling pot of water, I'll go ahead and add my pasta, guys. I will be boiling this for no more than about 3 to 5 minutes. My pot is already salted and it has some oil in it, that way the pasta does not stick together. And I'm using about a 12-ounce pack of pasta for my entire family. I'm not eating this, guys, because I'm on keto, but I brought this to you guys because this is what my family wanted tonight, and it's inexpensive and delicious. So now let's the pasta cook. Let's season our shrimp. So here I have my shrimp that's already washed with lemon and lime and some vinegar. I'm going to go ahead and add it to that some garlic powder. I will also add some onion powder to that, guys, and my seasoning brand is Iberia. You can use whichever one that you choose or whichever one you have in your pantry. Doesn't really make a difference. Add to that also some paprika. This is just going to give that smoky flavor and color. Then I'm going to add some of my total seasoning to that. If you guys have the complete green seasoning, the one that comes into the bottle, you can use that. You can also use some Obey or any other kind of seasoning that you do have. I'm going to add some of my Hellshire fish seasoning. Yes, it says fish seasoning, guys, but it does work well with shrimp or any kind of seafood, to be quite honest with you. I'm going to add a heaping dollop of my blended homemade green seasoning to that, guys. And once that is in that bowl, which everything looks nice for now, we still need one of the main ingredients or the stars of the dish, which is the jerk sauce. I'm also going to add a heaping tablespoon of the jerk sauce. Now, guys, add as much or as little of this Walker Woods, guys, as you want to. Again, I'm using the hot and spicy brand. You can use whichever brand you have. Then let's go ahead and mix this together. Get all these shrimp coated and covered in the seasoning because you want everybody to be marinating and be delicious. Then we'll go ahead and set this aside and let's start working on our peppers. So to my pot, guys, I have a tablespoon of oil. I'll add my bell peppers, guys, red, yellow, and green to that. I'm also going to go ahead and add at the same time the onions, the thyme, and the scallions, okay? We're going to just have these saute just for a little bit. We want to go ahead and sweat out the onions and the peppers. Get it nice and translucent, get it a bit soft, guys, before we move on to the next. So you're just basically stirring this for about 2 to 3 minutes at max, guys, until it becomes nice and soft. Once it comes to this nice, soft, translucent kind of texture, guys, and it's sweat down, just go ahead and remove it from the pan and set it aside for now. And just have it just sit there a little bit before you go into the next step. Now, guys, this is a one pot dish, so please, whatever you do, do not, and I repeat, do not wash out this pan. We need all the flavors because as soon as this pepper comes out of this pan, guys, right to the pan, I'll go ahead and add my shrimp. Now, once you have your shrimp added to the pan, guys, just go ahead and put it in an even layer. Now, keep in mind, shrimp is something that cooks very, very quickly. So this is not going to take a long time, guys. So don't walk away from it. Don't go watch The Real Housewife of Atlanta or 90 Day Fiance. Just go ahead and keep an eye on your shrimp. Now, once the shrimp is done and taken care of, guys, go ahead and remove the shrimp just like you did the peppers. I want you to take the shrimp out of the pan. Now you see all those little bit of the juices that are left in there? That is what we're looking for, guys. The flavor. That is flavor, and that is what we need for this pasta. So go ahead and remove the shrimp, set that aside, guys, because keep in mind is that this shrimp is done, but you're going to be cooking this again, and we're not going to be cooking it for too long, so just put it aside, guys. So into my pot, as you can see, after the shrimp is removed, I still have some bits and pieces from the jerk sauce already that's left in the pan. So right back into that, I'm going to go ahead and bring back my peppers. And I've added my peppers, and then what you're going to do is just go ahead and scrape up the bottom of that pan, guys. Get all those bits, and then add your cream. Like I mentioned to you guys, I am using cream today, but if you don't have cream in your fridge and you have half and half, go right ahead. It'll be the same. If you don't have half and half and you have milk, go right ahead. Use the milk. This even works well with evaporated milk if you have it. Now that's going to give it a little sweetie texture. We don't want that, but again, the main thing is to have whatever you have on hand is to use that. We're not expensing ourselves, guys. So once this sauce is all mixed in with our peppers, as you can see, I have my shrimp sitting over there. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is just add a tiny bit of garlic paste to the pan, guys. So I went ahead and added about a half a teaspoon of my crushed garlic to this, and mix that in just a tad bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and add to that a handful of cheese. Now in my fridge today, guys, I had a Mexican blend which has cheddar, Parmesan, and mozzarella. Whatever kind of cheese you have, just go ahead and use it, because it's not mac and cheese that we're making. It's pasta. It's jerk pasta, so we want to make sure that it is not too cheesy. At this point, you want to go ahead and definitely taste to make sure all your seasonings are into the pan. Once you have a taste and you want to add some more, go ahead and add it to the pan. As you can see, I went ahead and I added about a tablespoon more of the jerk sauce because mine was not spicy enough. Now at this point, you see my cream has diluted a little bit. I like my pasta to be a little bit on the creamier side, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some more milk to it, guys. Once you add the milk, keep in mind every time you add a liquid to a pan, you do want to go ahead and taste again, because you want to still make sure that your seasonings are to your liking. So I'll just go ahead and I will stir this up, get everybody mixed in evenly, and then I'll add my shrimp back onto my pan. So here we go. I'm going to add the shrimp back into the pan. You're going to add the juices of the shrimp and everything. Nothing is going to be wasted. I'm telling you, this is a very simple yet flavorful and delicious dish, guys. So once your shrimp is added, just mix that around. And once that is mixed in, just add your pasta. And here we have it. So we have the pasta added to the pan. I'm going to go ahead now and just stir this in, guys. Completely stir it in. Mix it in well. Let everybody get incorporated. Once you do that, it should have this nice light grayish color to it. Not fully gray. I mean, I don't know. But it should be well seasoned and well mixed in. As you can see, my peppers, my onions, my thyme, my shrimp, everything is delicious. At this point, go ahead and fish out the thyme, guys, and plate this up. So now that we have this plated, guys, this is what it looks like. It is so delicious. I wish you guys can smell it or taste it through the screen, guys, but I'm telling you, it is very delicious according to my family, because I'm on keto. I can't even try the pasta because it's going to restart my keto. Anyways, thank you so very much. And guys, just again, this entire meal cost me $5 because the only thing I had to purchase was the pack of shrimp. Everything else was already in my refrigerator and my pantry. So if you like today's videos, guys, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what else you want to see. Hit the notification bell. That way you are alerted each time I post a video. And until next time, guys, do stay safe and blessed. Thank you.